all, today welcome back to my YouTube channel. As Diwali is around, I wanted to create something easy as well as pocket friendly. And the fun fact here is this look is created only by using Wet n Wild products. It is one of my most affordable, favorite, great quality brands out there. I already had few of their products with me and some of them arrived yesterday with my other orders. So I guess I haven't left any product, I guess. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I will be taking Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum, which is a glass dropper bottle, and applying it all over my face. This primer is not pore minimizing one, it is more on a tacky side which sticks your foundation very well. Foundation, we have Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Desert Beige, which is exact my match, and Golden Beige is a bit lighter than my actual skin tone. I will be applying Desert Beige all over my face and Golden Beige on points which I want to highlight. As the name of the foundation says, Photo Focus, it is absolutely great choice for photos with medium coverage. I will be taking a beauty sponge and dabbing it all over my face, making sure everything is blended very well. Concealer, we have Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. I will be spot concealing wherever I think I need to cover. Eye makeup, we have the most favorite plus a must-have for beginners eyeshadow palette, which is their Color Icon eyeshadow in the shade Rosé in the Air. Be taking Cool Tone Brown as my transition shade, which is at the top, and blending it all over my crease. Then I will be taking the pink shade in this palette and placing it in the center of the lid, then placing the mixture of red and brown shade into the outer corner. Lastly, taking the only shimmery champagne shade on my fingers and applying it on the inner part. So same mixture of red and brown into my lower lash line. I will be creating smoky liner with the help of Simmer Brown Now. Got to buy Wet n Wild mascara, so I will be applying Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara after curling my lashes. I will be taking same transition shade as my contour. This eyeshadow palettes are no doubt multi-purpose. Now my personal favorite part of all is blush. For the blush, we have is Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. A blush. It is medium pigmented, which means you can take the control on how much you want to apply. Blush we have is their Baked blush in the shade Don't Flutter Yourself. You can use it as a blush topper, but here I will be applying this onto my champagne shade for eyes. Now before applying highlighter, I will set my makeup to make it pop even more using their Cucumber Primer Water, which gives fresh makeup feels. Precious Petals is the highlighter. It has to be one of my favorite highlighters in the list. For the lips, I will be mixing two lipsticks and I'm loving how it turned out, as well as my look. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and join the family. Happy Diwali!